Hello guys, welcome to this channel, Learn to Tech. Today I want us to do a factory reset on Cisco router. So first of all, we have router here, our laptop, we have a connection here, console for console cable. Now let's open our laptop, go to terminal, okay. Now this is our router command line interface. Would you like to enter initial configuration? No. So the router name is router. Let's go to global configuration, enable config terminal. Now I want us to create a host name. Host name, learn to check, enter. Let's verify, show running configuration. As you can see here, we have our new router's name is learn to tech. Let's save, copy, run, start. Now we have our configuration. We have created a name. So now I want us to reset the Cisco router to factory default, which involves erasing NVRAM. So to reset, we write this command, write erase, enter. Erasing the NVRAM file system will remove all configuration files. Continue, yes. Now, we have to reload the Cisco router to complete resetting or to the factory default. So we write a reload command and enter, yes. Let's wait to finalize the resetting. You like to enter initial configuration? No. Okay, enable. Let's show run to verify our configuration. Now we have our router, our host name is now router, the default name. And before we configured we created our router, our host name as learn to check. After we do a reset, we have confirmed now that we have reset back to the new or to the default router name. Thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.